Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So in the previous video we explored the categories, like how we can create categories and the complete code of categories, and we fixed some issues in there. So in this video we are going to carry on exploring this application and um, contributing to the features that we think can be improved. So now we have the categories, so let's move on to the products. And the product is showing an error. It was not showing in error at that time, but now it's showing in error. So let's pick this. I'm gonna go to slash products. Okay, so it's a resource controller, and we have only one method in here, which is index, and it is getting all the products. And if it has category ID, then it is going to get the category, um, and then it's going to return response JSON. Okay, this is an API. We were on the wrong side, so we have to be right here. Here we have the ID and name limit one, meaning it's gonna get the first item and show it in here, or and again loading the products from here. So let's go to product table livewire component, and if we look at the error, it's coming from the product name, category name. So I think this is using like a relationship, because we deleted the categories. I think that's why it is showing this error. So if you go to category controller, migration categories, it should be okay. So let's go to products table. It has relationship constraint and on delete set null on delete. Okay, so whenever the category has been deleted, it's gonna set the category ID to null, which means um, the what is it called, the category will be deleted and the product category ID will be set to null. And that is why it is showing this error, because in the previous video we saw that we deleted some categories. So if category exists, then show that, otherwise show dash dash. And let's refresh the page. Okay, now we have the category and the product name, and let's add we can view, delete and edit a category, and from here we can create a product. So let's click on add product, and here we can create a product. Let's use pack filler for now, and we have buying price as, let's say, 10 11, and selling price, um let's say 9, quantity is 65, quantity alert is, let's say, 33 or 10, and text is 95, and exclusive or inclusive, let's say 5, and exclusive notes, some dummy notes. Let's upload a photo. Okay, consider this the product photo. This is the product name, and let's create. And we can look at here, the category as has the static, which means it's required, but it there is something log in the, and something is wrong in behind the logic. But for now, let's create, let's say, hardware, and I'm gonna save this. What's wrong here is that if you look at this products migration, it's null on delete while it's required. So how can you make this required while you are setting it to null on delete a category? So the product has been created while I'm still here. I think it should be on the index page, or maybe it's here because the admin wants to create more products. So I'm going to close this, and the product we created is right here, but the image is showing like this. So let's view the actual image instead of like the name. So here you can see product image. We can use the set storage and in the image, but if it's storing somewhere, um, let's go to product table livewire product tables. Where is the product table? Okay, here. So when creating, where is the create method? Okay, it's gonna be in the controller. So when the storing, let's remove the dd, again using the request all, which is very dangerous because you don't know what user is sending from there, and while only validating these fields. Maybe these are all the fields, that's why it's validating like this. Prepare for validation. Okay, so the slug is unique. Do we have a slug field here? I think, okay, so this is a good idea. And you can see it's creating a slug on the spot, and appending that to the actual request, and using request all to store that. And here you can see it's storing the product and slash products, but let's see if we can view the product image by passing the name like that. uh, we have to put this in image tag instead, and let's refresh again. We have to put slash products. Okay, it is very big. And if you notice, the for the others that do not have any image, it's showing empty, while we can show the default image that we saw in the create product. So I'm going to open the create product page in the another page, in the tab, and I'm going to resize this. So let's say width is going to be 100 pixel. How about 90 pixel? Okay, I think this is fine. So I'm gonna set this as the width of this image. So width, or we can use style and face this, format it, and let's inspect the path to this, and we will use this as a the default image. So the URL is this, and we can use it. We can do something like we can use the um, inline condition, like a product of product underscore image exists, then do this, otherwise do this, which is asset and passing the path directly. And we have something wrong here, so product of age. Okay, so you can see it should be like this, and we have to remove this one. Now I'm going to format this, and we can refresh this page. Okay, so you can see the images are loaded, and when there is image, it's going to show that, otherwise it's going to show the default image. So now we can view this. We can check the whole CRUD operation, but for this video, that is it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we will keep exploring and learning about this application.